the secret to speaking clearly in meetings. Most professionals don't struggle with grammar. They struggle with confidence, especially in meetings. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sound clear, confident, and professional, even if English isn't your first language. Why meetings are hard? People interrupt. Ideas overlap. And when English isn't your first language, you may hesitate because you don't want to sound rude or unclear. But confidence isn't a personality trait. It's a communication habit, and today I'll teach you 4 simple habits that instantly improve your meeting presence. 1. How to enter a conversation. Most people wait too long to speak. Confidence is often about starting earlier. Technique 1. Soft landing entry. Here are some natural ways to join the conversation without sounding abrupt. To add to that, from my side, I'd like to build on what Sarah said. May I offer a quick point? These expressions give you a polite runway into the conversation. Technique 2, the 3-second rule. After someone finishes speaking, count 1, 2, 3, then begin. This prevents overlap while maintaining your confident entry. 2. Polite interruption. Interruption is a normal part of American business culture when done respectfully. Use a permission phrase. Can I jump in for a second? Sorry to interrupt. Quick question. Let me clarify one point. If I may add something here. These permission phrases show respect while still taking the floor. Why this works? You interrupt the flow, not the person. You sound confident and cooperative. Meeting presence. This is what separates professionals from leaders. Technique 1, the triangle look. When speaking, move your eyes in a triangle. Camera, notes, participants. This makes you appear engaged, calm, and in control. Technique 2, the slow first sentence. Start your first sentence slower than your normal speed. You instantly sound more confident. Technique 3, headline to detail. Professionals ramble. Executives give headlines. Example headline. There are 2 issues. Detail. Explain the 2 issues. Clear, strong, and confident. The calm executive tone. A confident voice is warm, even-paced, forward-focused, non-emotional. Technique, the lower ending. End your sentences in a slightly lower tone, not a higher tone. Now compare. Maybe we should try this. It sounds unsure. Maybe we should try this. It sounds confident. Technique, the 5-beat pause. Pause before the key point. And the most important part is now speak. This creates executive presence instantly. Quick practice. Repeat after me. To add to that, can I jump in for a second? Here's the headline. There are two things we should focus on. Let me clarify one point. Here's my recommendation. These are clear and have a confident tone with leadership energy. If you want to sound more confident in meetings, remember, confidence is communication, not personality. Practice these phrases. Slow your first sentence, enter early, and use a calm executive tone. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more positive, friendly, professional executive English. Thanks for watching The Executive English Coach.